Yo, what's going on, guys? So for today's video, I'm gonna go out, try and find a camera under $5 at a thrift store. Hopefully it works. I mainly want to shoot this video just because I get a lot of people asking me, yo Figs, what camera do you use? What lens do you use? What type of photos? Or what software do you edit with? Etc, etc. I just want to show you guys that, you know, no, it doesn't matter about the camera. It really just matters about the person behind it and the eye that person has to take photos and capturing moments and images. Let's just get right into this video. Yo, so we are at the first location, hopefully trying to find a film camera under $5. Yeah, let's go see. There is no cameras in the thrift store. You're just gonna have to go to another one. So one thing is, you don't give up. We don't give up around here. So we're gonna go to the next thrift store, see if we can find anything, and go from there. We found a couple here. It's $1, $3, $3. You're kidding. What? I think I found the one. Ended up going with the Olympus. Funny thing is, I've been like contemplating to cop this like off of eBay, but it would go for like $100 and something. So I was like, I don't know. We ended up getting it for $298. The moment of truth now is, I mean, it looks in good condition. Yeah, there's like scratches here and there. Only downside about this camera is it has this like smallest viewfinder I've ever fucking looked through. But let's put some batteries in this and see if it works.
Nope.
Hey guys, we're shooting a video for a project and I wanted to know if I can get a photo of you guys.
Sure.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank
Cool.
you.
No smiling, just look straight to the camera. Cool, thank you guys. Love you guys.
Thank you.
Overall, the OLYMPUS STYLUS epic. I feel like it's been doing me justice. I'm just really shy and nervous to go up to people. This has just been teaching me like to get out of my comfort zone and just shoot. appreciate it. Thanks, sir. Thank you, I appreciate it.
Thank you. Maybe it's the dog.
The reason why I like shooting film, you're never gonna know what's gonna come out of the picture, and that's what really excites me and has really like made me take more film photos instead of like digital, because you're never gonna know what your photos are gonna look like until you go out and develop them. We have finished the roll of film. We're gonna go develop this and get back to it. So as we got back our film, and I looked over it, there's some photos that had like a circle flare. I don't know what it is, but overall I really like the camera. And you know, as I said in the beginning, I really was trying to find this camera for quite some time because my friend had it and he let me use it, and I just liked it. I usually use this one, the Canon Teleshot. I'm challenging you guys to, if you want to start shooting photos, go to a thrift store, buy a camera, take photos, and tag me in your posts on Instagram, Twitter, at AlexFigs. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to do more things like this. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you guys want to see? Subscribe, like, and remember, stay creative. When it feels like falling